One fleet, one dashboard. Absolute prowess. Who wouldn't want that, right? But right now, it's fragmented. Too many systems, too much data, and not enough clarity. Clue changes all of that. The single pane of glass puts all your critical fleet data, telematics, GPS, maintenance, performance, and safety into one powerful platform. Real-time updates, instant visibility, one view to manage everything. No more silos, no more guesswork, just actionable insights right when you need them. Here's how Clue transforms your fleet. All systems, one login. Control over 70 systems with a single login. Clue integrates every OEM telematics and GPS provider, bringing your entire operation into one clear view. No more jumping between apps or screens. Alerts that act, spot an issue, instantly go from identifying a problem to initiating a work order. Clue's smart design makes your maintenance tasks seamless and efficient, keeping your fleet running smoothly. All assets one place. Connect every asset easily. Whether it's from our partners or your direct hardware, Clue brings everything together, like having every tool in your box right where you need it, no matter the location. ERP integration made easy. Seamlessly integrate with your ERP system. Clue centralizes crucial data for smoother workflows, making reporting and time card management effortless. Command anywhere. Manage your fleet on the go with Clue mobile app. From anywhere, you're just a tap away from taking control and making decisions in real time. Ready for precision? Stop reacting. Start leading. Book a demo now. With Clue's single pane of glass, there are no limits, just results.